Okay, so my project is called Elephant Toothpaste, and it's basically when you mix up different chemicals for a reaction to happen. So the first thing you'll be doing is adding 20 millimeters of hydrogen peroxide into your tube. And then after that, you'll be adding your soap, and that will be 10 millimeters of that. And after you do that, you'll be adding any type of food coloring of any color that you desire to make the foam have different colors. After you do that, you'll be adding 5 milliliters of sodium iodine solution to make the reaction happen. Once you put the sodium iodine, it will foam up. The reason to the foaming up is because the tiny bubbles inside of the foam is filled with oxygen, which makes the foam rise up and explode.